it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing a real quick review on this MiroPure. It is a 2-in-1 hair dryer and volumizer. Achieve the look you want. I will put a link and everything down in the description box below where you can actually purchase this. So I do have one of these brushes, but it's by Revlon. So I'm really excited to try this out. I do like these a lot because it kind of combs your hair. It blow dries it and kind of gives you your style all in one. So it's something that's a lot faster to use. And it's just one tool. You're not sitting there having to get the blow dryer and then a round brush at the same time, which is super nice. I like having more than one thing because it's something that I can let my daughters use too. And I don't have to worry about them taking mine. So let me go ahead and open this part. I don't have any nails on right now. I took my other nails off and I need to put on some new ones. So don't judge my nails. Okay, so you open it and it comes like this. Ooh. So there's the box. I'm just going to stick the box back. It comes with instructions on how to use it. And here's the brush. It's really pretty. I like the black and the gold. It's really pretty. I'll probably give my kids the Revlon one and keep this one. I got the Revlon one for like $15 after Christmas. It was part of their Christmas stuff. And then everything goes on clearance, and that's when I wait to buy stuff, is the clearances that they have. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in and I'll show you guys how to use it. Okay, so first of all, you want to always spray your hair with some heat protectant. I'm using the Hot Toddy by the Dry Bar. Just spray it all in your hair. Just make sure you coat it so that there's no damage. And this stuff works really well. Okay, now I'm going to part my hair up and just leave the bottom down like that. We're gonna create some volume while straightening our hair. Okay, so as you can see, it has off, low, medium, and high. So you just push this up. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on high. And you just grab the hair from underneath. So you can see that's the first layer that's done. Just straighten it and gave me a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna keep doing this until I'm all the way done. My hair's so thin, I'm just gonna try to see if I can do it all without putting any more hair up. And again, you just turn it on. I'll turn this way so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. can see, that is what it looks like with my hair just dried. It kind of straightens it, and kind of like, just depending on how you do it. I like to curve it like this when I'm drying it, so that it has like, it goes in a little, but you can also just like kind of straighten it and just go straight down if you wanted to. If you wanted it to be super straight, I find that it helps hide any like split ends when you do it this way. But my hair is like completely dried. You can see it's completely dried, and it gave my hair some volume. And you can even give it some more volume if you just kind of come up here. I'll kind of show you up here. And I like the fact that it has these longer bristles, and then these ones kind of polish your hair, the smaller ones, and it really gets in there. And the metal part heats up, which is what helps straighten your hair, and then the air, of course, comes out of there. So really good quality, really pretty. I like the quality, like really good quality for this. I actually like this better than my Revlon one. So let me go ahead and do it up here. So you can do that just for some like extra volume if you'd like. It's really pretty. And I like to usually put a hair oil in my hair just to help this look even more shiny. It's actually pretty good right now because I got a lot of the dead cut off. But yes, I give this a 5 out of 5 stars. Really good quality. I love the colors and everything. Really pretty. And I love that it has the 3 different speeds. I'll go ahead and show you low, high, low, middle, and high. That's low, middle, high. So what it means by low, middle, high, so the low is actually low heat. The middle is just like, it's high heat, but it's not as much air. And then the high is high heat and high airflow. So that's why it says low, middle, high. So yes, like I said, super, super high quality. I do highly recommend this. I'm also going to be reviewing another product on my channel from the same brand. This is by MiroPure. I think I've actually reviewed some of their items on my channel before. You can actually buy them, I think it's off Amazon. But I will put a link to where you can actually purchase these down in the description box below, like I said. But I'm going to show you the other thing that I'll be reviewing. I'll probably be reviewing it on my daughter's hair. So keep your eyes open for this video if you guys want to see this one. You see it has like the big O waves. It's really pretty. So I've not opened it or anything or tried it out. I will be reviewing it with you guys. So stay tuned if you guys want to see that video. You guys know I love to review hair stuff. I'm trying to put this back in. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.